What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trey's Trades, where we give technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor nor expert. I am just some random dude on YouTube, so take what I say with a grain of salt. With that being said, today we are looking at ticker symbol SOLO, Solo, Electromechanical Vehicles Corporation. And we're going to be breaking down the one-day charts here. So I'd like to begin by drawing out a new support level on the day. We do have support here, a primary support level sitting at about $6.91. We did dip below $7. However, we have a much stronger support level because there are more candle wicks touching here at the $6.93. Not a large difference. So if you want to take a couple pennies, you could say $6.93 as a new support level. And something to pay attention to here is that is a lower level than we saw yesterday. Yesterday we did only touch about $7 or so. So keep that in mind. We do have a lower support level. So if you are holding profits right now, the risk is about 10 cents higher on the lower end than it was previously. Now, what is interesting is we spent the majority of the day below the volume moving average, but the pre-market we spent entirely above the volume moving average. So the bulls were in complete control, and we did see a new high here, not an all-time high, but at least in recent times at this 765, and for a second a hair higher at 767, but we're going to roll with 765 because it has been touched previously in the last 2 days. So you could identify this as a resistance level. Now what does that mean? It means if you do see the stock edge up to the 765 mark and you see a candlestick pop above this, there is potential for a breakout. We could see price valuations of $7.75, $8. It is very possible that that you see this happen. Now, what is probably the most peculiar about the trading today, and you take this for whatever you want, is we had an abnormal spike in trading volume. This is a 1 minute window that we saw 1 million shares being either bought or sold in Solo. And that is very abnormal for the stock. If you pop back here in the last 5 days, the highest spike that we saw was 1,725,000 in a 5 minute window. And in this 5 minute window, we saw 2,358,000. So that is very high. And the difference here too is that we held on to that volume and momentum pretty much throughout the rest of the day. We held on to the unusual trading volume for the remainder of the regular trading hours. Now, what could this mean for the future? Well, this isn't guaranteed, but one thing to watch for tomorrow morning in the pre-market is what does the trading volume look like? Are we seeing anything unusual? Are we seeing numbers that are not standard for solo trading? If you are seeing that, it is going to increase the volatility. So it may be people coming in to short the stock. It might push it down. Volatility works both ways. But it may also be buyers coming in, seeing potential for some quick upside with this stock. And if we get some unusual volume to push this stock, it will make things a lot easier to push through the 765 resistance level, in which we were unable to pass today. So that is something to watch for in the market tomorrow. I would make sure that you can get on, an hour or two before the regular market hours to get a look at the volume. And I will leave a link in the description below to the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is a great resource if you'd like to look at stocks that are having unusual trading volume. That way you can get ahead of the hype if the hype is coming. So that is what I have for Solo. Do I think this is a buy, hold, or sell? If you are currently holding this position, I would still hold strong because I do see more upside. In the long term, we are scaling up. We are making stair steps. You can see here that we had a stair here, a stair here, a stair here, a stair here. It is slowly coming up. We are slowly stair stepping. We are creating higher lows and higher highs very slowly. So it is not entirely impossible that we will eventually see this 1350 price target, which has been noted as credible as a price target for the next 12 months. I do think it is possible you see that within the next 2, 3, 4, 5 months. So that is all I have for solo today. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. If you did not, dislike it. Either way, you're helping out the YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it. If you'd love to join the channel and see more content like this, please subscribe. I'd love to get to 100 subscribers by Sunday, and I love the 59 of you that are already subscribed to the channel. You guys have all my love and appreciation going your way. So with that being said, that is all I have for you today, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.